As the anticipation for the Sony A1 II builds, photographers and videographers alike are beginning to wonder if this upcoming model is set to replace their current gear, specifically the original Sony A1. Sony has a history of pushing the limits with each new release, and the rumored specs of the Sony A1 II hint at a serious contender. But will it deliver enough to make you swap out your beloved A1? Let's find out. While the Sony A1 already impressed the market with its 50.1 megapixel sensor, lightning-fast 30 FPS burst mode, and exceptional video capabilities, the Sony A1 II is expected to raise the bar even further. The most notable upgrade on the horizon is an increase in shooting speed. Rumors suggest the A1 II could hit up to 60 FPS, double that of the original A1, making it an even better option for high-speed photography. For professionals capturing wildlife, sports, or fast-moving action, this feature alone could make a substantial difference in performance. In terms of the sensor, the Sony A1 II is expected to maintain the same 50.1 MP resolution but with improved processing power. The introduction of a newer, faster image processor could provide a more seamless experience, particularly when dealing with large, detailed files. The global shutter, which debuted in the A9 III, is another potential upgrade. While the A1 focused on a balance between speed and resolution, the Sony A1 II might lean into the tech behind the A9 III's global shutter for quicker, more accurate captures without distortion. Sony has been leading the charge in video, and the A1 II is rumored to keep pushing boundaries. Like its predecessor, the A1 II is expected to feature 8K video at 30 FPS. But the new model might also offer 8K at 60 FPS, turning it into a powerhouse for cinematographers looking for ultra-high-definition footage. While the Sony A1 already provides stellar 4K and 8K shooting, the potential for even better frame rates in the A1 II could appeal to creators who rely on fast action or need extra flexibility in post-production. Additionally, the Sony A1 II is expected to continue offering 4K at 120 FPS, just like the original. However, with newer AI-based autofocus and possible in-body noise reduction, the A1 II may capture smoother, crisper footage in a wider range of lighting conditions. Though the Sony A1 is known for its robust design, users have voiced their wishes for better ergonomics, and it seems Sony may have listened. The A1 II is rumored to feature a more refined grip and improved body design, making it more comfortable during long shooting sessions. Even minor tweaks like this can significantly impact usability, especially for professionals on the go. Another key area of potential improvement is the viewfinder and display. While the original A1's electronic viewfinder already delivers excellent quality, there are whispers that the A1 II could feature an upgraded OLED display, offering more accurate colors and brightness. If you're using the original Sony A1, the decision to upgrade depends on your specific needs. It looks like the Sony A1 II will build on the foundation of the A1, offering faster shooting speeds, improved autofocus, and potentially better ergonomics. However, if you're not shooting in fast-paced environments or making heavy use of 8K video, the original A1 still holds its ground as one of the most capable cameras on the market. For those who want the latest technology or shoot professionally in demanding conditions, the Sony A1 II might be worth considering, possibly releasing sometime in Q1 of 2025, with a hefty price tag of $7,000. So, judging its rumored upgrades, this could be the next camera to dominate both photography and videography. But whether it's a must-replace will depend on how critical those new features are to your workflow. Thanks for watching.